Hey folks, I'm here. So just wanted to show you a quick one of how, although I'm trading very recklessly without stop losses, I can trade around bad trades and trade out of a bad position. So for example, if you look here at my oh no, let's look at the open positions at the moment. So I've got all sorts of things running, but there's a horrible trade that I've got in, £100 a pip, and it's just buggered off the other way. And it's currently sat there about minus 16.5 grand. So the reason I went long is because I saw that there's a dub top or double top there, and I thought we'd at least have a 50% pullback. Anyway, besides the point. So once it started moving away from me, I was like, ah shit, so I'm in trouble here. I then started trading around it to try and offset that position. So one thing you can do, so as you can see here on my closed positions, there's a lot of US oil trades here. And if you add all of them up, I made probably just over 16 grand from going short at the same time. So if I could actually close that losing trade right now and end up break even, but I'm not. So what I'm going to do, so what I've actually done is I've basically stopped the leak, so to speak. So I've got this oil short at the same pounds a pip. So if it does go down, it's not losing me any more money. And I've also got another one with, a little bit extra pounds per. So I'm actually making money if it does continue to go down. So if the market just buggers off like today, right now, all the way down to $20 or whatever, I'll actually make profit. But here's the thing, I still think there's going to be a pullback. Now, obviously, maybe not the pullback I wanted, but at least back to this level, because there's definitely a neckline there. It's busted through, so it's bound to retest it, or at least pull back to the $37 level, if we can see over here. So I'm going to be trying to break even at best. If not, once it gets around 37, I may just take profit, and I'll only end up with like a 5 grand loss. So therefore, I'll end up making like 10, 11 grand profit after this. So yeah, that's how I sort of trade in and out. I've done a whole bunch of other stuff with the US 30 and stuff, but right now, currently floating around, seeing what happens. So yeah, and US 30 waiting for that pullback as well. Anywho, hope that makes sense. Toodles.